storage variants are 12GB plus 256GB, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 256GB. The available color variants are white, gold and black. This comes with 20GB RAM including 8GB virtual RAM and 128GB UFS 2.2 memory with dual SIM feature. Designed with 6.67 inches Full HD plus POLED display with ultra-narrow bezels, 120Hz refresh rate, 1000 nits peak brightness and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 display protection. Featured with 108MP 3x in sensor zoom AI triple camera with 8MP ultra-wide sensor, 2MP macro camera and 16MP front camera. Built with Mediatek Dimensity 6080, 6nm Octa-core 5G processor for high performance. It comes with 5000 mAh large battery with 33 watts fast charger in box and Type-C connectivity. The box includes USB cable, SIM tray ejector, USB OTG adapter and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.